All right, let's get some video here. Castle Guardian Italian stallions, almost 10 weeks old. How about that, huh? How about this? About these guys? Hooey. So, this weighed Tiberius. He was 25 pounds. 25-pound puppy, 10-week-old. He's a big boy. The biggest. Tank's behind him. He didn't weigh him. But he's a good 20. Junior over there, he's 19 pounds, so he's 6 pounds behind the biggest one. So he's still a good-sized puppy dog. But yeah, we don't have time to sit around and watch TV at night because we have to watch puppy dogs. Daddy's over there being obnoxious. Max, you're such a jealous boy.